Alright, here we go. Here comes the line. There it is, right there. There's the line. Might have hit my wipers. Wipe the windshield. I might start driving. I'm not sure if I want to be parked when this thing comes across this field parking lot. I think it would be better if I just drive. I don't know. I thought for sure I would stay, but I don't know. If I'm driving, I can control a little bit more about like what I'm doing, where I'm going. I don't know, I just don't want to be caught out in case the winds are strong. There won't be anything to break the wind. I don't know. Ooh, it's grass. Alright. Sorry. Currently at... There's the beginning of it. It's weird as I'm driving, I'm actually getting into it more than the further I get toward the city. I'm just kind of scared there's gonna be like a water spout in here or something. This is the real deal right here. Pretty big, severe thunderstorm right here. Said something that's gonna drop 8 inches of rain on us tonight. They're having some street flooding out in Luling. That's about 20 minutes from here. Crossing right into Metairie, that red light right down there, that's New Orleans. There's the sheets of rain. Put the wipers on. Go down Lake Avenue. We'll go down Lake Avenue. Go down. Turn. We're gonna turn. We're gonna go down. Ooh, that's pretty. Lakeway Center showing up in the clouds. Hopefully this video is not coming out sideways. I would hate that to happen. That already happened to me once earlier. Alright. See, just up to here from there. Just got a heavy precipitation nearby on my phone. Fox 8 Weather app. I just downloaded that app. Oh, they have sticks here. Alright. Yeah, just downloaded the Fox 8 app. It's a local television app. Okay, we're going down. We are on Chickasaw Avenue in Metairie. Bucktown, Metairie. Might go down to West Esplanade. We'll go down by Lakeside Mall or something. A robust storm. Very robust storm. Okay. Let's see if we can get you that lightning. This is beautiful, beautiful rainy night here in Metairie. I'm actually enjoying it though. Different, nice little change of pace. Yeah, see the rain's picking up. I'm heading south right now. I'm up. If y'all look at a map of New Orleans, I'm about 2 miles west of City Park. Kind of up. No, I'm not down by like the famous parts of the city or anything. I'm just up in the suburbs right now. See that green? That's City Park. That's City Park. I'm right over here. In between City Park and the Causeway Bridge, the longest bridge in the world. About halfway between the two of them. Already at 4.5 minutes of video. Almost to West Esplanade. Someone over in Kenner was saying that they're getting water up in their carport. And it's not gonna, I mean, I already know what it does at that area, so I know it's not gonna get into any houses or anything. It's just gonna get up in driveways a little bit, and it'll We have pumps. We're not like other cities who actually have pumps. We just pump the water. Like you see this in front of me right here. There's actually a drainage canal right here in front of me, and we'll pump into that, and we'll pump it out to the lake where I was just at a second ago. But you see the water's already going into there. That's actually water. Ooh, this is wild out here. All right, that's actually water in that canal. Hope I didn't get my phone screen wet. Samsung Galaxy phone. I just got it 2 days ago. This is really interesting night for the weather right out here. That canal is getting high. I'm heading further in. I'm going head on into the storm right now. I don't think there's any tornado warnings or anything like that right now. If there would be, I'd have to watch that a lot closer. Looks like I'm getting into some heavier rain and some wind now. Oh yeah, we're getting into the wind now. I got these power poles, these big power lines right next to me to supply power to this north side neighborhood. I'm heading west right now. I'm on West Way, almost to Bonneville Boulevard. I'm in North Metairie right now. Some bright lightning right there. I'm at Elmere, Piper and Elmere. Passing Lake Shore and Breckenbridge or something. I couldn't read it. This light, Homestead Avenue. We're almost to Bonneville. We're not quite there yet. It's already, oh, I'm feeling the water ponding up below me. Starts to flood. I'm going to have to get into a parking garage. I'm going to try to make a DJ or Target. If I find the flooded street, I'm backing up. I'm not going down that sucker now. I'm in my 06 and I'm not in the SUV right now. It's a nice house. This is Bonneville Boulevard. Who's got a Veterans? Who's got events? Who's got events? A bigger, wider boulevard than what we're on right here. Be a big boulevard. That's been pretty tight right there. It's just rain right now. I'm already at 7 minutes. This is going to end up a long video. Bonneville Place. Alright, Bonneville Boulevard right here. Driving right into this sucker. And the wipers on full blast, I can hardly see. Ooh, that's some bright lightning right there. I already sprayed my car. I guess I'm getting it washed. But I didn't wash it good enough as it is. It get washed. I guess my other car got washed. I hadn't washed it in a while. Hope it slacks off after a while like they say it will. I don't know how I'm going to get upstairs to where I live. Not looking to do this all night. Veronia. Getting some water puddling up on Veterans. This is the big boulevard here in the New Orleans suburbs. Is Veterans Boulevard. It runs east and west. It's about 7 or 8 miles long. Move over and get into this part of it. Trying to navigate the higher side of the road. I'm not saying that it's going to be flooded, but it might be 6 or 8 inches of water. I still just don't want to drive down into some low water. You know, I'm just driving to the higher parts, the high spots. I'm just switching lanes. It doesn't matter right now. This is just crisis mode. Ooh, lightning hit right there just a second ago. I'm gonna watch what they're doing. It might be best interest to jump, that is, jump over into that lane. Yeah, it should be okay on this street. This isn't really a street that's known for flooding that much. In certain circumstances it can, but we do have pumps. They can only handle a couple inches an hour. Right now we're at like, it's kind of lightened up a little bit, but saw that one right there? Hit Lakeside Mall, hit Macy's. Yep, hit Macy's. Alright, we're at Veterans and Causeway, right by the old House of Lee. House of Lee was right here, am I right? Harry Lee statue over there, but he faces the mall. He's supposed to face the House of Lee, but he faces the mall. Okay, we're coming to Veterans and Causeway. We're by Lakeside Mall. Lakeside Shopping Center. I'm gonna go up kind of slow right fast, yo. I'm gonna lick this. I'm gonna see what's going on down in here. I'll let them take the lead. There's another car around you and it's flooded in New Orleans. You always let the other car take the lead. You never take the lead unless you got a big truck. See, like that shoulder over there? It's got some ponding in it. Alright, right now we are getting down. We are down at Severn and Veterans. This is Chick Shack, the new place. Never been there. Buffalo Wild Wings. Got Bergeron, Jeep, Chrysler, Dodge dealer, and the Volvo dealer. Closed down Toys R Us. Dropped the wipers down a little bit. Some more lightning. I'm not sure what that was. Probably just a big raindrop coming off a power line. Alright, CC's, best coffee in town. Only it's real coffee. Not that Starbucks stuff. It's got chicory in it. It's real coffee. Veterans Ford, now called Matt Bowers. The Mercedes dealer. Something that they're doing with that old Best Buy. They closed it a while back. Up in the road. Oh, that's bright. Hit over by I-10 and Cleary. Cleary Avenue coming up. The most robust stuff's down there toward Jefferson. Go right by my neighborhood. I live in Pontchartrain Garden. Pontchartrain Shore, something like that. Comic Burger. Call that is the Mazda dealer. Letting this car guinea pig and guide me. Guide my way. If they start floating, I know to back up. Nah, it ain't doing anything like that. A little dicey back there in a couple of those streets, but it never was anything bad or anything to really worry about. The rain has lightened up quite a bit. Houma Canal's pretty high. Got some nice shot of lightning hitting East Jefferson Hospital. I sure hope this video doesn't upload sideways again. Alright. Almost to Target, Clearview Mall. I'll turn. Turn on, yeah, I'll go to Transcontinental. We'll take Transcontinental back up to West Esplanade. Clearview and Veterans. Clearview and Veterans. Some lightning down there toward Harahan and Elmwood. Alright. Some puddles on the side. Hasn't rained in so long, hardly. Barely had rain lately much. This truck passed me up. Silverado, Lights Egan Funeral Home, Don Seafood, Gambino's, and stupid bonefish. Never been there. A lot of people like it, but I don't know what that is. It doesn't. Bonefish doesn't sound very appetizing to me. I don't like bones. I don't like bones inside of my fish. I like my fish cleaned out pretty good before I eat it. Pardo's grocery down there. Hard to see, hard to see. That'll jerk me way over to the side. Let's pop a right turn right here on Transcontinental Boulevard, Metairie, Louisiana. I'm going to stay in the left lane because the right lane usually has more puddles down here because the way the roads are crowned. Usually the way to avoid the puddles is just kind of ride in the middle of the two lanes. It seems like the heavier rain is up by the lake right now. It's continuously getting heavier as I'm almost at Kewanee Boulevard. Okay, I'm gonna hit a big puddle. There we go. Alright, yeah, it's going from like a green to like a yellow rain now on a radar map. It'll be yellow now. Getting almost red. Yeah, it's a lot more intense along Lake Pontchartrain right now. It's Kewanee Boulevard. The water might be higher down here because it hasn't had a chance to naturally drain, but it's not going to be like actual flooding, just some of those things. But it does, the city does kind of get lower the closer to the lake that you get. But that's more of an issue like when you have like a hurricane where it's actually like a lot of flooding. Not with just little rain flooding. Rain flooding is just neighborhood flooding, street flooding, driveway flooding, just things like that, and it usually goes right down. We have pumps, we pump it out. We don't stay flooded long here. The pumps don't work, that's a different story. High water right there. Okay, now we're at Transcontinental and West Esplanade. We'll go up and there's light. Couldn't hardly see the end of the road. Alright. West Esplanade Avenue down that way. Down this way. Hard to see the striping on the road with all the water on it. Alright, light turn green, just as they pull up. Alright, here we go. We're gonna go in, we'll call this Pontchartrain Shores. It starts it right here. Yep, Pontchartrain Shores. Alright, now we're up in a nice neighborhood, a rich neighborhood. Oh, we're right by where Al Copeland lives. If you ever heard of Popeye's Chicken, the guy that started it and owned the company, he owned the house a couple of blocks down the street from me here. Damn, I'm just continuously going through these puddles. And now we're at Transcontinental. We're up along. Just some little bit of standing water in the street. It's not up to the concrete curb corner where the grass and the curb meet. If it was up to there, then I know I'm flooded out. But below that, it's just a puddle. A little bit deep right there. Nothing to fret about though. Avron Boulevard. I love that house. It's the rich people. It's the rich part of town. Rich people live out here. Alright. Love that old Lexus. Just like an 01 Camry. 2001 Lexus ES300, mint condition. They were by the Copeland house. They tore it down, but they built a new. The family built a new house in its spot. It was on the news when they tore down the original, though. Alright, here we go. Going back up Transcontinental. I don't know where I'll end up. Maybe I'll go down. Maybe I'll go down by East Jefferson Hospital. I only have a minute. 2 or 3 or I don't know 4. I got about 3 or 4 minutes. I don't want this to go on for forever. We're gonna go ahead and Yeah, I feel like we might get a better shot if we just go straight. One of my favorite houses. Early 1960s circa house. It's hard to see. I need to do a nice daytime video of this area one day. This is Jefferson Parish, Louisiana. I'm up at Lake Pontchartrain, and I'm about 2 miles west of Causeway Boulevard now, because we crossed it. So we're in between Causeway and Kenner. Very, very deep puddle right there. Alright. Back in my lane. Not like there's anyone else. I'm the only person out right now. Some high water right there. High water right here. High water. I don't know if you can see the water just flying up on the sides of my door. You might see it right here. Not really. They're stopping at West Esplanade again. Where's the light? Okay, here it is, a little bit further up than I thought. Yeah, you can see a little bit of water ponding up right there. The water's kind of a little high right there. It's hard to see. It's always at night when it rains. It seems. So it seems. So it seems. Truck going down the boulevard. My light should be turning green here in a minute. Nah. My light's red, that's how it's green. It's a divided boulevard. It's got a canal in the middle. It's all the way into the water canal. You can see the water's kind of ponding up right there. Damn, I'm green now. I'm green. Now I gotta make a U-turn. No left turn. It's like anywhere else in New Orleans, no left turn. You go past it. It's a great idea though. You just go right past your destination. They got the U-turn block. That wasn't blocked the other day. It's the cool thing about it out here. You go right past where you're supposed to go. You have all these little breaks in the middle of the road. And right here, keeps traffic from backing up. It's an excellent type of infrastructure. I love it. When I lived in Mississippi, they didn't do that, and it made traffic back up really bad at all the left turns. People trying to make U-turns, even though they were just trying to turn left. There's a huge puddle right there. I should be getting a phone call in about another 30 seconds. So I'm going to cut the video off, or it might just stop on its own. Because when my phone rings, it's gonna the video's not gonna go on anymore. It's gonna turn off. Okay, now we're going down West Esplanade, looking toward East Jefferson Hospital. That's at that light down there, East Jefferson Hospital. It's a canal on my left.